What if a gadget could make life easier, save you time, and solve everyday problems? That's exactly what today's lineup is all about. We've found some of the coolest and smartest gadgets you can get right now. Welcome to RevX. Hit subscribe for more amazing tech finds, and don't forget, all product links are in the description. Let's get started. Can't stop checking your phone, biting your nails, or fidgeting during work? This is the original Ono Roller, a premium fidget tool designed specifically for adults. Just roll it through your fingers, and the smooth, frictionless motion instantly gives your hands something satisfying to do while your mind stays focused. It's completely silent, making it perfect for offices, meetings, studying, or working from home without distracting anyone around you. Many people use it to reduce stress, ease anxiety, improve focus, and break habits like nail biting or endless phone scrolling. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum, it feels incredibly solid, smooth, and premium in your hand. Small enough to fit in your pocket, but satisfying enough to use all day. Sometimes the simplest gadgets are the ones you end up using the most. Still charging your Apple devices with 3 different cables? That's desk clutter you don't need. This 3-in-1 magnetic charging station powers your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods all at the same time from a single compact charger. Just snap your iPhone into place with the powerful magnetic mount, and it starts charging instantly while keeping your setup clean and organized. The foldable design collapses into a slim, travel-friendly pad, making it perfect for your backpack, suitcase, or nightstand. Advanced cooling vents and a high-efficiency charging chip help deliver fast charging while reducing heat buildup. And thanks to the strong magnetic hold, your phone stays securely in place, whether you're watching videos, making video calls, or checking notifications. 1 charger, 3 devices, 0 cable mess. This is the kind of gadget that makes your entire setup feel cleaner and smarter. What if you could make any old switch smart in less than a minute? This is the SwitchBot Bot, a tiny gadget that physically presses your light switches, buttons, and appliances for you. No rewiring, no electricians. Just stick it next to a switch and control it directly from your phone. Turn lights on from bed, switch off fans remotely, or automate appliances with custom schedules that keep running automatically. Using Bluetooth, it works right out of the box, and when paired with a SwitchBot hub, you can control it from anywhere using Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri. Installation takes seconds with the included adhesive, and it works with a wide range of rocker switches and push buttons. Simple idea, brilliant execution. This tiny robot can turn your old-school home into a smart home without touching a single wire. Think 3D printing is slow and complicated? Not anymore. This is the Bamboo Lab A1, a next-generation 3D printer built for speed, precision, and simplicity. With an incredible 10,000 millimeters per second squared acceleration, it prints dramatically faster than traditional 3D printers while still producing clean, detailed results. The best part? It handles calibration automatically, including bed leveling and Z offset adjustments, so you can spend less time tweaking and more time creating. Pair it with the AMS light system, and you can print stunning multicolor models without constantly changing filament by hand. Advanced flow rate compensation keeps every layer smooth and accurate, while the quiet motor system lets it run without turning your room into a workshop. Fast, smart, and beginner-friendly. This isn't just a 3D printer, it's a machine that turns ideas into reality with the push of a button. Think your home is secure? You might be missing what happens when you're not there. This upgraded 4K security camera keeps an eye on your home day and night, with ultra-clear video and a wide 110-degree viewing angle. Even in low light, the advanced night vision system captures sharp details, helping you see exactly what's happening around your property. The built-in 2600 mAh battery delivers up to 100 days of standby time, so you spend less time charging and more time protected. And whenever motion is detected, instant alerts are sent directly to your phone, letting you check live footage from anywhere in seconds. Setup is quick, monitoring is simple, and free cloud storage helps keep important recordings accessible. Whether you're at work, traveling, or just in another room, This camera helps you stay connected to what matters most. Small, smart, and always watching. Think your TV is big? Wait until you see this. This projector can turn any wall into a massive 200-inch 4K theater. Powered by a premium triple laser light source, it delivers incredibly vivid colors, deeper contrast, and stunning image clarity that looks closer to a high-end cinema screen than a typical projector. With 1,300 ANSI lumens of brightness, movie nights, gaming sessions, and sports events look sharp and vibrant even when the room isn't completely dark. The AI-powered image engine automatically enhances color, sharpness, and detail in real time, making every scene look more realistic and lifelike. And with Dolby Vision support, you get richer colors, brighter highlights, and deeper blacks for a truly immersive viewing experience. Plus, the optical zoom lets you adjust screen size without losing any 4K image quality. This isn't just a projector. It's basically a portable movie theater for your home. Can't find your tools when you need them? That's time you're wasting every day. This pegboard organizer kit turns a messy wall into a perfectly organized workspace. With 278 pieces included, you get hooks, bins, tool holders, racks, and locking clips to store everything from screwdrivers and pliers to hardware and power tools. The heavy-duty steel hooks and durable storage bins keep your gear secure while making everything easy to see and grab instantly. And because the layout is fully customizable, you can organize your setup exactly the way you want while saving a ton of space. It fits most standard pegboards and works great in garages, workshops, sheds, warehouses, and even craft rooms. No more digging through clutter, no more lost tools, just a clean, organized workspace that makes every project easier. This isn't just a projector, it's basically a portable movie theater for your home.
This speaker is smaller than your palm, but sounds way bigger than it looks. Just plug it in and instantly boost the sound from your phone, laptop, tablet, or MP3 player with no setup required. Despite weighing only 3 ounces, it packs a built-in amplifier that delivers surprisingly loud, clear audio with impressive sound quality. The rechargeable battery provides up to 10 hours of playback, making it perfect for travel, outdoor use, study sessions, or listening around the house. And because it works with any device that has a 3.5mm headphone jack, compatibility is practically effortless. Tiny size, big sound, long battery life. This is one of those gadgets that proves you don't need a huge speaker to get great audio. Still using a boring number pad? This one looks like it came from the future. The BOI TD31 Pro is a wireless mechanical numpad packed with features most full-size keyboards don't even have. It supports Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and wired connections, letting you switch between up to 3 devices instantly. But the real star is the built-in TFT display that can show custom GIFs, battery status, RGB effects, connection modes, and more. You also get a programmable metal knob for volume and screen controls, plus fully customizable keys to create your perfect workflow. The hot swappable mechanical switches deliver a premium typing experience, while vibrant RGB lighting adds serious desk setup vibes. Whether you're gaming, editing, programming, or crunching numbers, this tiny keypad brings a surprising amount of power to your desk. This isn't just a numpad, it's a mini command center.